Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your extended love reading for February 2021. A very happy birthday for my lovely Aquarius. To all over the world wherever you are. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. I have already uploaded your main reading, and from your main reading I have get the energies here, and in this video I'm going to clarify these cards. Okay, so once more I'm going to tell you what were your energies, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. I will be glad that I will be able to help you out in some manner. And I'm very sorry because I was unavailable for around 1 week. I have not done any reading for you because I was not well at all. But now I am well. I am okay. I'm in a healthy way. Okay. So yeah, let's start your extended love reading. So Aquarius, there is someone from your past who is the communication. Eight of Wands. Lot of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius, in February. There is someone around you who is your divine counterpart, your soulmate, your twin flame. They are unable to sleep at night, basically. They're spending sleepless nights here. Okay, you and they're coming towards you with the love offer. The love offer is here. There are a lot of love they're trying to give you, the offer you, and they want to share the cup which is full of love. They want to collaborate with you. They want to work with you as a teamwork. Okay, but you are rising as a star, and you're taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You are emotionally unavailable, detached basically, and Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth seeker and truth giver. You already know the truth, and you are hoping for new hopes and new desires. You are asking your question. Queen of Swords is someone who always asks the questions because they know what is truth, and they will cut immediately if they will find that the other person is giving them lies, cheating, manipulation to them. Okay, this person who is from your past is someone who is Queen of Cups. Water energy is here. Okay, but I never mention the signs in my readings. This can be any sign, anyone. Okay, but this is someone who is emotionally available. They want to give the cup to you. Queen of Cups is someone who is emotionally stable, who knows the value of emotions, and they are very intuitive, psychic here. Okay, they see you as someone who is very passionate. The Queen of Wands, they see you as Queen of Wands, and Queen of Wands is someone who is very passionate, very attractive, very mysterious, adventurous woman. Okay, they see you as very passionate being, very creative. They see you as Queen of Wands, but some unexpected changes are coming in your way, Aquarius. The Tower card is here. Okay, this is the divine intervention. This is the divine intervenes in your situation. When the divine intervenes in your situation, so that you can make the necessary changes which are necessary to make for you. Okay, so divine is making intervene in your situation. So some unexpected changes are coming for you. Okay, some unexpected changes are coming for you, and something is shaking up your life basically. Then there is Hierophant. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Either you were married to this person, okay, which is coming towards you. Either you were married to this person, or you were committed to this person for a long period of time. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. Okay, and they are going to give you some kind of small message or some kind of small offer, because here I am having the Page of Pentacle and the King of Pentacles. This is your partner. This is your divine counterpart. This is someone who is financially stable, grounded. Okay, maybe they are financially independent, who knows how to manage his finances. They're offering you some small offer. This is just a page of pentacle which is being offered by the king of pentacle. Okay, so they are offering you some small offer, a small message to you. Okay, they were keeping their patience for a long period of time, but now they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. The temperance is here, but now they are rushing towards you. They were keeping their patience with them within themselves, but now they are rushing towards you. And that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. This is you. The king of cups is you. Okay, and this is the justice is being served in your case. And this is you, the king of cups is you, and this is your divine counterpart, because I'm having the king of cups and queen of cups both are here. Okay, so this is you, the king of cup is you, and this person is from your past. This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past with whom you have spent many lives together, past lives together. This is a soulmate card too. Okay, you both know each other very well. So this is someone with whom either you were married to this person, or you are going to get married to this person, or you were committed to this person for a long period of time. So let's start your clarification. Let's see what are the meaning of these cards. Please clarify me, Knight of Cups. What is the meaning of High Priestess, Knight of Pentacle? Yeah, right now they are using their intuitions, Aquarius. They are using their intuitions, and they're coming at a very slow pace. Maybe you are unable to see right now, but they are coming towards you, Aquarius. They are coming towards you. They are using their intuitions. A Knight of Pentacle is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. So maybe you are currently unable to see, but they are coming. Clarify me, Queen of Swords. Two of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Swords. You're getting your clarity. You want your Two of Cups here, and you will get it, Aquarius. You want your Two of Cups basically. You want someone who is, yeah, you are working so hard. See, you're working so hard on that thing. You're putting lot of efforts, time, money, energy on that thing, because you want your Two of Cups. You do not want anything which is temporary. You want a stable, committed offer in your life. Stability basically you want, and you're working on that for a long period of time. This is Eight of Pentacles, and you will get it. Do not worry. See, bottom of the deck what I'm having. King of Cups and Queen of Cups both are here. Six of Pentacles. Wow. Clarify me, Star. See, I told you the Tower movement is happening. Clarify, Star. Whatever is ending, there is an end and rebirth. Death and rebirth, bottom of the deck I'm having. And the Tower card just fall out. Something is shaking up your life, Aquarius. The Star card belongs to you. Tower is happening in your life. Divine is intervening in your situation. All things are getting end in your life, okay? Tower is happening. Unexpected changes are coming for you. There is Tower here. Divine is intervening in your situation. There are drastic changes which are coming for you, okay, which are good, okay, that are not bad. Whatever was happening in your life, that is going to end here. The death and the rebirth is here. So the old things are getting end, so that new beginnings can happen for you. Beautiful card for you. Clarify me, Six of Cups. Six of Pentacle, King of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Wands. You're getting success, recognition, victory in getting your Six of Pentacle, and King of Cups has come here. Equal amount of give and take, Aquarius. You want equal amount of give and take, and you will receiving it. The King of Cups is here again. Clarify me. Clarify me Nine of Swords. Too many cards. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having, see, Four of Swords, Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Four of Swords. So you were resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are doing your healing on yourself, and they were unable to sleep at night, Aquarius. They were unable to sleep at night, basically. They were unable to sleep at night. They were spending sleepless nights. Why they were spending sleepless nights? Because you were holding back from them. You were not opening up. You were holding back from them. Here it is the Four of Pentacles. And why you are holding? Because you are healing yourself, you are resting and rejuvenating yourself, and they were spending sleepless nights here. Okay, what I got for you is Queen of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Sun, the Temperance, and the Eight of Cups. Here again, you walk away from them, you move in a forward direction in search of your Nine of Cups. See again, either they walk away from your life, either they left out, they move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups, or you move away in search of your Nine of Cups. Eight of Cups is moving away, and again the Temperance is here again. Okay, so they were keeping their temperance, they walk away from you, but now they're coming back. They are coming back, Aquarius. They want to give you the Sun, the Ten of Cups, and Queen of Cups is here again. Can you see here the Queen of Cups? This is your divine counterpart. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. Okay, they want to give you new beginnings. They want to give you the Ten of Cups, the happily ever after. And Sun is all about new happy beginnings. They want to start a new happy beginnings with you. They want to start a happily ever after, and that's why there is Queen of Cups here. Can you see? I'm getting again the King of Cups and Queen of Cups both. 1221 was the recording reading time. Beautiful. Either you walk away from them, you move in a forward direction in search of your Nine of Cups, or they move in a forward direction, leaving you behind, okay, in search of Nine of Cups. But after spending so many time, they get to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Clarify me Queen of Cups. Hangman, Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Pentacles, Three of Swords. There was a third party situation which was going on in your life, Aquarius. There is Three of Swords. They broke your heart and they were juggling a lot. Can you see? There is Two of Pentacles here. They were unable to make a decision, basically. And because they were unable to make a decision, they was feeling like an hangman. They were unable to move in a forward direction. Now they're coming with a Page of Cup here, with the apology, with a small message of saying, sorry Aquarius, I was unable to decide whether to choose you or other person, but there was some kind of third party situation which was involved in your life, in your relationship. Third party can be anything. Okay, third party can be friend, relative, work, hobby, any kind of addiction, or any other relationship. Okay, that can be a third party. But there was a third party situation. There is a third Three of Swords, and because of that Three of Swords, they were juggling a lot. They were unable to make a decision, basically, and that after that they were feeling like an hangman. They were unable to move in a forward direction. That's why they are spending sleepless nights. Clarify me Queen of Wands. I told you that this is your divine counterpart. This is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Pentacles here. The World card, Empress, the World, and the King of Wands. You're completing a cycle with your divine counterpart here. The King of Wands and the Queen of Wands both has come. You're rising as an Empress. You are rising as an Empress, Aquarius, and you're completing a karmic cycle which you need to complete. A closing of a cycle is there. That's why I told you the old cycles are getting end, and there is your divine counterpart, the King of Wands, has here again. Can you see the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands again? They see you as someone who is an empress. They see you as an empress. Clarify me, Tower. Bottom of the deck, again I'm having death and rebirth, and Four of Swords. You are resting and rejuvenating because you're doing your inner work, you're doing your healing. So all things are getting end, Aquarius. There is a death and rebirth, and you're coming towards the calmer waters. Do not worry. I told you that this tower is not bad. Whatever tower is happening, that tower will bring you towards a calmer waters. You're coming towards a calmer waters. After this tower, you will come towards the calmer waters. Clarify me, Hierophant. One minute. The card which fall out was Knight of Cup. Again the Knight of Cup and Nine of Cup. Nine of Pentacles and Knight of Cup. So they see you that after this separation, I'm getting, I do not know why, but after they left out, they see you as someone who is very happy, very abundant, very abundant in your own way, and you're enjoying your singlehood, and now they want to move forward, Aquarius, with you. Here again I'm having bottom of the deck, I'm having the Chariot, and I'm having Eight of Wands. Lot of communication is coming towards you. The Knight of Cup, they want to offer you. Here again I'm having Knight of Cup and Knight of Cup. Okay, they want to, this is a romantic love offer which is coming your way from them, because they see you as someone, you are very abundant, you are enjoying your singlehood, you are happy. Okay, they see you as Nine of Pentacles, so they're coming towards you, Aquarius, with a romantic love offer. They want to move forward with you. Clarify me, Wheel of Fortune. I'm not going to take it because it just fell out from my hand. Clarify me, Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Cups. See, again Six of Cup is there. Then there is Three of Pentacle here again. Okay, so yeah, this is someone who is from your past. Okay, this is not a new energy, this is someone from your past. You both know each other very well. Okay, they again, you are holding back from them. The Four of Pentacle is here. You are holding back from you pull out all the energies from them, and you were not giving anything. You are holding back a lot, and they were spending sleepless nights, Aquarius. Now the Ace of Pentacle has come here. They are going to give you some kind of stable committed offer. Okay, they are going to give you. Can you see here, the Wheel of Fortune is here again. This is Page of Pentacle, and they will start with the small message, the small offer, but they're going to give you some kind of commitment here, the stable commitment, the stable committed offer, because Ace of Pentacle is, they're coming from Page to Ace. Can you see here? They're going to give you some stable committed offer, that is for sure. Clarify me, Page of Pentacle. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. They see you as their wish fulfillment. See, I told you that they move in a forward direction, and the Lovers is here again. They see you as your divine counterpart. They see you as your love. They see you as their love of their life. They see you as wish fulfillment for them. Here they left you in in search of Eight of Cups. Okay, they want the Nine of Cups, and Then after moving in a forward direction, they find that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Okay, they move in a forward direction. Eight of cup is here. After that, they find that you are the wish fulfillment for them. They see you, they finally find the answer that you are the one who is the love of their life. You are the divine counterpart for them. You are one who with whom they can say that this is my wish fulfillment. This is your wish fulfillment. And that's the wheel of fortune which is moving in your favor. Here I'm having wheel of fortune and the wheel of fortune again. Beautiful reading, Aquarius. Congratulations. Okay, let me clarify. King of Pentacles. See. 10 of Swords, bottom of the deck. I'm having 8 of Swords, 5 of Wands. They were having conflicts around them wherever they were. They were having lots of conflicts and they were feeling restricted, stuck. They were unable to move in a forward direction because there were a lot of swords which was put in their back. And there is a completion here, the 10. There is no 11. Okay, so the all swords were put in the back to this person. And because of that conflicts, they were unable to move in a forward direction. They were feeling stuck, restricted here. That's why the World card has come, because there is a 10 of Swords. Someone hurt them a lot. All swords were put in the back. Backstabbing. Clarify me, Temperance. Three of Pentacles. They were keeping their patience. They want to collaborate with you, Aquarius. They want to work with you as a team. Seven of Swords. There were some lies, cheating, manipulation which was going on, okay, with you. Okay, there was deceptive energy here. Maybe there is a third party situation here. Okay, 3 of Pentacles and then 7 of Swords. So there were some lies, cheating, manipulation which was going on, and this is your divine counterpart. There were some secrets which was hidden from you in the past. That's why you did not accept the cup from them. And can you see here the Emperor? You did not accept the cup from your divine counterpart. And after, because you did not accept the cup, they were feeling very sad, very remorse, very guilt on those things. The 5 of Cups, they were not happy without you. Basically, they offered you the cup, but you did not accept the cup because there were some secrets which was hidden from you. Here the Moon was here. Something was hidden from you. There were some lies, cheating, manipulation which was going on with you. But this is your divine counterpart. This is 4 of Wands, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Wow. 4 of Wands, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. I told you that this is a connection which the divine is working on. The Temperance, there is a lot of angel energy, there is a lot of divine energy. That's why divine intervenes in your situation. Okay, here can you see? Because divine was pouring these 2 cups. This is you and this is your divine counterpart to one another. You are both made for each other. You are both twin flame, your divine counterpart. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. But there were some lies, cheating, manipulation which was going on with you. But now it is over. Clarify me, Knight of Swords. Why there is Knight of Swords? What else you want? Okay. The Emperor. They are rushing towards you. They're coming towards you, Aquarius. They are coming towards you. They are coming towards you. Okay. Let me see. Who is rushing towards you? The Emperor is rushing towards you. This is your divine counterpart. I'm having all the kings and all the queens in the deck. On today's reading, King of Cups, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Swords, Queen of Swords. And here I'm having Emperor and the Empress. Beautiful. This is your divine counterpart who is rushing towards you. Beautiful. Why there is justice? Justice is being clarified by Judgment and Queen of Pentacles. Justice has been served in your case, Aquarius. This is the judgment. This is the justice which is served in your case again. The judgment, the divine is making a judgment for you because you are asking for the justice. You are asking for the judgment and they are making a justice, a judgment for you. Here it is. This is a karmic justice and judgment which is being made for you. Again, the Queen of Pentacles is here and the King of Pentacles is here. The King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles is here. Wow. They were getting all the swords in their back here, and you're getting the justice and the judgment which is being made in your case. Beautiful. The justice has been made in your case. Clarify me, King of Cups. I'm not going to take it as it just fall out. Okay. Clarify me, King of Cups. King of Pentacles. Clarify me, King of Cups. King of Pentacles, Strength, Death and Six of Cups. This is person from your past and Ace of Swords. They're keeping their strength with you, Aquarius. They're keeping their strength. Okay, all things are getting and this person is trying to come towards you, Aquarius. This is someone from your past. Okay, this King of Cups, this King of Pentacles is someone who is from your past. Okay, this is King of Pentacles. They gathering their strength. They're keeping their strength with you to approach you. Whatever was there, that is going to end and new cycles are going to start, and this person is from your past. Okay, that's going to come towards you. You're getting your clarity. You will get your clarity. Ace of Swords is here. Beautiful, 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 Aquarius. I got your reading. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Now they know your worth basically. Let's see what is the advice from the divine. Give me the advice from the divine and from the universe. Please give me the advice from for the Aquarius for February 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the advice for the Aquarius for February 2021. What is the advice? Seven of Pentacles. What is the advice? The Devil. King of Swords. Hermit. Seven of Swords. There was some toxicity which was attached to this person. Okay. Princess Sonia. There was some lying, cheating, manipulation which was going on with this person. There was some kind of toxicity which was there. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Wands here. You will get your clarity that the justice, which is again the justice, is being served in your case. You will get success, recognition, Six of Wands and Queen of Wands. Okay, you're getting your clarity, you're getting your justice, that is for sure. There was some kind of deception, lying, cheating, manipulation which was going on with you, Aquarius. This is King of Swords, Hermit. You went into hermit mode or they went into hermit mode. Okay, they were asking for their soul, that what their soul wants here. There was some kind of toxicity which was attached to this person, but now it is getting over. Now it is getting over. Either they are using their intuitions. High Priestess is here. or you are using your intuitions. But this is them, they are using their intuitions. They are using their intuitions. Any other advice? You are someone who is... What is happening actually? Okay. They're rushing towards you. They're coming towards you, Aquarius. They're rushing. See again, bottom of the deck, I'm having 8 of Wands. The communication is coming towards you. Lot of communication through WhatsApp, social media. A lot of messages are coming towards you. They see you as someone... King of Swords. Again. They see you as someone who is very happy, very abundant. You are enjoying your singlehood. Okay, you do not need anyone. You are enjoying your singlehood. 9 of Pentacle and 9 of Pentacle here. They see you as someone who is enjoying your singlehood basically. You are happy. You are abundant of everything. They see you as that. Okay. You are manifesting. You want to come towards the Karma Water. 6 of Swords and the Magician. And you coming towards it. Do not worry. You want to come towards the Karma Waters. That's what you are manifesting it. And you are coming it. King of Swords and Knight of Swords. They're rushing towards you. Your divine counterpart is rushing towards you. So that was the extended love reading for February 2021. Let's summarize your reading. So Aquarius, there is someone who... See again this High Priest. They are using their intuitions, okay? There is someone who is your divine counterpart. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. The King of Cups and Queen of Cups is here. There is a King of Swords and Queen of Swords is here. Okay. So this is someone who is from your past. Okay. You both know each other. Why I am saying that? I'm having 6 of Cups and 6 of Cups. Whatever situation was there, this is the soulmate card. You both know each other very well. This is not a new energy, but someone from your past is coming back. Whatever situation was there, that is going to end here. Tower movement is happening in your life. Some unexpected changes are coming for you, Aquarius. This is divine intervention. This is divine intervening in your situation. Some unexpected necessary changes are going to happen, which is necessary for your life. Okay, now they see your worth. Now they get to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. The 9 of Cups and the Lovers is here. Okay, they see you as very happy, very abundant in your own way, enjoying your singlehood. 9 of Pentacles here. They are going to start with the Page of Pentacles with the small message or small offer. They will give you some small offer, but after that they are going to give you some stable committed offer here. The Ace of Pentacles is here. Right now they are using your divine counterpart is using their intuitions. They are using their intuitions. Okay, and this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. Okay, so maybe from very long period of time they are using their intuitions. They took long period of time, but they are coming towards you to offer you. This Knight of Cup is coming towards you here with the romantic love offer. You were holding back from them and they were unable to sleep at night, Aquarius. They were spending some sleepless nights here. You were holding back from them and they were spending sleepless nights. 9 of Swords, 9 of Swords from both of the deck. They were keeping their temperance with them. See the Temperance and the Temperance. This is the connection which the divine is taking care of. Okay, the Temperance is here from both of the deck. Again, I'm going to tell you that Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. The justice is being served in your case. Okay, the karmic justice, the judgment is getting in your favor. Divine is making a justice, a judgment in your situation, in your life. See, there are 3 pairs here. I'm having King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. Again, all kings are here. That's why there is an Emperor and the Empress. Both are here. There is King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. All the pair are here. That's why there is Emperor and the Empress, because Emperor and Empress become after getting all the kings and all the queens together. And here I'm getting all the kings and all the queens together in this reading. Okay, this is very powerful reading today for you. The Emperor and the Empress. They're rushing towards you, Aquarius. They're rushing towards you. From both deck, I'm having this King of Cups and Queen of Cups. See, you're rising as a star. You're taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You know what is the truth. Okay, you know that. What is the truth? So, do not worry. You're completing a cycle with, there is a World card. And you will come towards a calmer waters. That is for sure. You will come towards the calmer waters. So, that was your reading. Okay, that was your reading. Extended love reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.